make me tell you this. You see me pitney them. If a boy I'm a romp with the pitney them. Subscribe. Let me tell you this. Subscribers. You see me picking it down. I sit down and fall of them favor me. I'm wife this. Wife. Yeah. Subscribers come for the channel.
Yeah, subscribe. I'm gonna say like and share and leave a comment. Paradise Nation around the world.
You know the badness come down.
Jay, come on.
Picking of them. I love them. And I go on home. Tell on the mother say one of them a different mother. Tell on the mother say yo, me send them my money. Look more. Look more. Look more. Me picking them. I love them. Yeah. Chatty now, yeah. Down in the grill. That's where you see tourists walking by. Alright, so if for the first time you know, watch our channel here now, you don't know what to do already. Subscribe. And if you know a long time subscriber, I want to help. And when I say I want to help, what I simply mean by that, when I go take the video and I go share it. Look right down under the bottom part of someone of the video. You see subscribe, you see share, you see comment. I want you to share the video. It's when you share up the video, it means that a whole lot more people are going to see the video when you normally see it. And so if you comment, the algorithm are going to do what it needs to do, which is share it up. So just do the right thing, man, so the video can reach to the fullest size. Big up on yourself.
Wagwan.
Yeah, good.
Girl, we got good news again.
Good news?
Mm-hmm.
What the good news now?
Well, not even know if I tell you exactly, but it will make happy. Me just try to find the right words, you know.
You didn't know I can't come with you.
That is right. Girl, my breed.
Yeah. Congratulations, man.
Right? Finally.
Hmm? So what if I don't know?
Well, that's a different story, you know, because as you know, me and Jeremy in that chat, but then, you know, Andrea and me that talk funny side, so
Sounds already.
me think of a Jeremy, but honestly, Andrea in a better position, so let me go tell Andrea say I'm pinny.
Really?
Girl, me know the drama, but you know you have to get to one them when we're stable.
You have to move it, you know, if Andrew married.
Yeah, Andrew married, you know, but girl, his wife can't breed, and that is not my fault, and he want pitney, so
Yeah, I can't read.
Girl, but no, it's sad to say, you know, and I bad something to laugh about him, but look, you have to pick it better, man. If I told them, you have to pick it better one.
True, man.
Andrew well want fitness, so might as well make it him, because you know Jeremy is stable.
True. But as a friend, you want. You can't tell what you do. You have to just keep a right for you and what best for you.
Then not Andrew best to me?
So we do you have to do then.
Girl, me no mega tell him, you know. Cause no, me tell not well, me not plan to tell Jeremy nothing. But me not tell Andrew yet. I mean me just find out.
Okay, just find out.
So girl, me happy.
Happy for you too.
Why?
I like them want people so happy.
Exactly. Long time one fit me, but I enjoy best person right now, yeah man. So you have to go call him and tell him say. You know, he have one little one funny way.
Most happy.
Right? I mean, yes, he married, but still.
Not happy because I want to
Thank you.
You know that's okay.
Nonetheless, no matter who is who, me I breed for Andrew. And me need to call him and make you know so me need to have a talk.
You know.
Girl, he will know if you figure it out. A matter of fact, I have a plan for that. Okay, I don't know, so I know my wife already. So I have a plan where I feel like I say, that can work in order to make your wife already. Because I remember say she can't pitney, you know, him want pitney and be pregnant for him, so something can work.
If you do you know the wives, you know, so me think me feel like say. You never happy. Send it on first bank. How long time one you know?
Exactly. So girl, I say what issue, so everybody win. Me win, him win, she win. She can't. Me know if it work around it. Me know. Me know, you know. Me know how me I go just, you know, squeeze in and eat.
Yeah.
Exactly. Girl, you have to have plans, you know.
True.
You have to have plans. So, stuff to do, me have to do.
Maybe I still.
Yeah, man. But I think I gotta get Andrew a call and things, so that's our next conversation I have to have now. So, you don't know how that go.
Alright, now go ahead, so later.
Alright then. Come on.
You better soon. What's wrong?
I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know. Let me know.
Talk to me.
You happy?
As it relates to what?
I don't know. Wait.
Yes.
Relationship.
Aren't you?
Sometimes.
What?
We feel like we want to spice.
What do you mean?
I don't know, like, we don't do nothing fun.
That's not true. That's not true. We just say whatever you have to say, just say.
You know, yeah. Well, a while ago, I talked to Billy.
The bad influence.
No, you know, like Billy, no, but Billy a good boy. But Billy a tell me say, you know, him and his girlfriend have another friend.
Talk to me now. Andrew, so whatever you have to say, why you tell me the information piece by piece?
Better tell us straight.
Okay, talk.
Yeah, so their friend, them have fun.
What is fun? What is fun? What fun? Cause why you think we not have fun?
No, I just think. But yes, we have fun, but we just. I want to try something.
What?
So, you see, Andrew wife friend, sometimes she come over and them have fun, you know?
You sound like a toddler.
I mean, I want to think. A way I think.
But a toddler not think like that.
So, oh, you give me the information. That's what I'm saying. What are?
Why?
Just tell me.
Them have some cheese some more time.
And what that's have to do with we?
I just say we could have little fun.
No, you have a joke. We mean.
Just say I went business so when Billy tell me say that's all I mean. You see?
So, alright, relax now.
You know.
So, because Billy mentioned it, you automatically want to do a cheese sub.
No.
So, would be not have problem then.
No.
So, what you are saying, I
I just
understand.
want little fun in a relationship.
So, since when we're boring and since when we not have fun and since when we need spice.
So we can't just have one little cheese.
Because why you would want to do that?
We can't just try something new.
I am so confused.
Calm down. Let's calm down. All right, it's up.
We have come from so far, right? We never yet talk about inviting somebody. We never yet...
We don't invite nobody.
So how we gonna have one cheese and we don't cat?
Boy, now you're talking like a toddler.
Angel, cut the bullshit off.
Just think about it.
Hello.
So,
What am I there?
yeah,
Yeah. How's it there?
well, all right, one and two things not go so right, but all right.
Just think we have news we can make it better.
News.
Yes.
Fine.
No, even better. Just think about what could have been better than that. Think something that you've always wanted.
Me?
So, yes, something that you would like be ecstatic about and something that you've always wanted. Just think about it.
So,
I'm giving you the news. Always want.
have to do with it.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
me together.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
What? You serious?
Okay, so I took the test last night and then it confirmed and then me just did nervous and then me never know, so me never call you and then me have to see you like in person because you know. But take one more this morning.
You take another one?
Yes. So
You're pregnant for you?
yes. Oh my god. Me couldn't wait to tell you. Like so I don't know. You nervous? What?
Yeah.
You're not sitting all right now, so we don't know what to do.
What am I gonna tell Jessica?
Look. No, just focus. I mean, I know, like, she can't get pregnant, so...
Yeah?
I mean, you always want one child, so I know, like, it matter. Jessica can't get pregnant.
But you gonna tell her, say?
We figure out one way. We will figure out a way. Look, I have a plan. Just calm down. We know how to work it with her, alright? I'm my friend. We know every single thing about her. We know how to get through to her. But just think what you like so we have one baby.
So what are we gonna do?
I mean, look, alright. So we come up with one plan.
Yeah.
We can do for work on Jessica. I mean, she can't have one child, me pregnant for you, win-win situation. I'm my friend. We know exactly what we're gonna tell her, sir.
You sure?
We sure.
You sure so this can work?
We sure.
What kind of plan you build up in your head?
Watch out. They are going to just. They are going to. Who that they are working for? What is it?
What?
Your friend?
Where?
Over next door, man.
No, the recent movie, they look so much money. What the problem?
Oh, fuck, man. Such a look good, man. I pass, and I say, I come get a link, man. Where you going?
I am so happy that you stopped by because, boy,
I'm here. I'm look, sir.
I don't even know about it now. And you know, you have a brother me certain topics some other one touch you there. But me, I gotta tell you. So, you know, how me and you married found good means. For some reason, this man get up out of the blue. I come and tell me about he wants to spice up the relationship. So me say, well, kind of no problem that. Only if I find out that in my top mode. One cheese.
Choose some. Well, what? Nothing. That's something you want to tell me, you know, sis. Choose some.
No, but like, who else you really have to tell us?
Yeah, I say in a man and woman business, me don't like to get involved, you know. But you say, as a brother and sister, I tell you what you have to do. You have to learn to communicate. It's just like how you try to communicate with me now. To find out with him. Find out what is it that you are not doing, what him want and why him want another
But
person.
I ask, and then basically I say, as somebody influencing me, no Billy, right? He must say, I'm Billy in here with it. So he wants
Billy?
like, that makes sense? Exactly.
Billy live a club in a man. When Billy got a club in a man, I piss one piss by Billy, you know. So Billy really like them, listen. Billy really take advice from.
So no, that's gonna be one issue because he just defining.
You hear me, I say? You see them trees something there? You have to be careful. Yeah? You have to be careful. Because you don't know who do this and that. You have to listen. You don't want to get yourself in and them, the sister. You're bigger than that, man.
It's like, oh, me I gotta save my margin, me I gotta do to make it work because me don't want this to be one issue, me don't want to go to the road. I try to find comfort somewhere else.
Well, if you're into them something there, and
I'm not into it, but what will make the relationship work?
and he say he want some spice.
Yeah.
Well, you just season it up and give him.
This is what you really said because me the year things so we go down after everything alright, only the thing coming in and I say more spicy relationship, this and that kind of thing.
Alright. Sis, you're my tell sir. Just sit down with Andrew and talk to him. Find out what is it. You understand? You know, probably I can you too, you know.
Mama,
Probably you used to do something where you just stop and then say, you two want to just sit down and exchange words. Talk about it. Just work things out as a couple. You understand?
yeah, but when you communicate, it also means that we need to compromise, and this would have been me compromising.
Alright, there. Let her feel Andrew business. I go up here, I'll check mama and come back. See if she alright. Zane? But make sure you say the boy not come can you Friday then something.
No, I'm not abusive. Oh, good, you know, Andrew, but I just like this kind of shot me.
Oh, cause me I'm going there now. Yeah, son.
I will definitely call it for you.
Alright.
I text you.
Let's go check. Okay, I make a link with the brownie, you know what is happening.
Stop, man.
Alright.
Okay.
Come on here.
Yeah. Wifey. Look at by myself.
No, because you wonder why you're so excited. So we take a minute. And we did think about it, right? And to make you happy. We might get a one chance, but I just want one time thing, right? Then I gotta ask again and again and
Mad. One time, man, we just try something.
but like who would I ask? Like
I don't know, man.
how would go for this?
I don't know nobody.
But I don't know anybody. You know the few friends I have.
Yeah, just Billy. I'm Virgin, but no nobody. No female. No female friend. I nothing. You like a friend?
Why you quote that?
What, like what?
Anyways, okay.
What's me think you better you find something?
It's your idea.
But I am boss.
Okay. Okay, fine. Anything for you.
So we are thinking about.
What am I thinking about? I don't know. I'll text them and then I'll get them.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. I feel better now.
Okay.
So how was the day?
It was good.
Mine did alright.
Is the already coming to start?
Hmm? Yeah, no, not so bad.
Okay, that's good. Pass the remote.
Oh, we are watching now.
Something interesting.
You can't watch that.
No. Me I look for the something for sure, but I don't know. I guess the Wi-Fi. But anyways, catch that.
Girl, from when they met the other pan but all not go through.
Like your place to order everything.
Yeah, but
Only you come off a card and everything.
girl, everything. I know what one.
That's so sad.
But yeah, such is life.
Anyways, how are you?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm tired, yeah, man, but everything alright.
Well, I'm tired too, but I'm okay with our life, so you know I have to be grateful.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So you sure you're good, you're happy, everything's okay?
Can't complain. But I wicked if me actually complain about something. So
Well, I'm happy to hear that you're in a good mood because I want
Yeah.
to talk to you about something.
but you look happy though, what happened?
Okay, so I am having a little issue
With what?
with my marriage. Not that it's not really an issue, you know, but it's there, it's present. The tension there. More to say one issue. Right?
Really? What happened exactly?
I kind of have a problem with spicing up intimacy.
Girl, I would not expect that from you.
Well, I feel like we've been married for too long and the relationship reached a one point where we want to try new things. So things just kind of get like a boring after a while.
Yeah.
What's it for him? Because I'm not the one that complain. I'm fine with missionary. You know? not that I'm fine with it, you know, I'm not.
I know what you mean. We've all been there where, things just lose its spice. So I guess over time, yeah, it automatically have to get to that point at some point, especially when you're there with your man for how long and then now.
But I never expected that. Like, me think so we always have like a spice, the little butterflies. Yeah.
Girl, things happen.
So,
You plan to do?
don't judge me now.
Girl, you know me not great about judge you.
You know, we created a safe space with each other.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking it, me I could tell you. We were thinking about a cheesum.
Girl, what? I saw, no, you did a spice, but I expect this much sauce.
Well, I do so much sauce. Right? I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. However, you know, you're the closest thing to me, right?
Yeah, but so, alright, I don't understand. Girl, give me more details. Come, talk to me. How you even tell you this?
But we kind of agreed on it. We talked about it. We came to agreement. Now we are trying to find somebody.
Okay.
Hence, you are the closest person to me.
Okay.
What do you think?
But what exactly? As in, what you could do? What? What you mean?
Well, being a part of the threesome, 2 girl, 1 man. So
Girl, I never realized that you asked me, like, honestly, like, girl, I don't know about that, like, you're my friend, like,
stop. Just think about it.
Girl, you're my friend, but me must say we're like sister,
Exactly, we're like sisters. Just be me naked. How much time we go beach together with everything together? It's normal.
You man are like my brother, like, just...
Exactly. Well, not the partner. Stop it. No, bro.
I mean, like, me don't know me feel about something like that, for just, like,
It is going to be fine. It's just sex with a little bit of spice.
Girl, that a whole heap of spice, that a sauce, everything, all of the seasoning, like.
It's in a one plate.
You know, what have to think about you?
I mean, yeah, no rush, but hopefully, yes, say yes, cause I have not a friend, and it wouldn't make sense to have two man and one girl. That's
I mean,
sense.
I get you because like when you're bringing like one whole stranger, things kind of different.
Exactly, and then like me I got wonder and you know me can trust you, you know you're clean, you know all of that. Already in my space and I'm home.
Girl, you know this is a big ask, right?
I know, and that's why you get time to think about it.
The only, you know, the only person wanna do this for you, right? Oh Lord Jesus, me not how me feel about this, but see you midway.
You don't want to dance with me? You don't want to dance with me?
I like what?
Okay, baby.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, you can sit. Not different.
I guess. I mean, I'm not gonna make space for me.
It's fine.
So how does this work?
I am new to this as well. Hence, I do have some things that I want to say. Yeah? You know, this is my husband, you're my best friend. Just don't make it weird for me. Okay, babe? I'm talking to you.
Yeah, babe.
So don't make it weird. No kissing, French kiss, not like that.
Okay.
Don't stay in one position too long. Just let's get it over with and then let's make it fun and fast. That's fine.
Alright, so is there like anything that we're not supposed to do outside of that? Or if you just fine with everything else?
I guess that's basically it. Just don't kiss him too long. Don't be too touchy, romantic. But then again, it has to be touchy because we're talking about intimacy. But just don't make it too personal. You know,
We're allowed to touch?
I told you not to be too touchy.
I mean, not too touchy, but
I mean, we have to set the mood, right? But like beyond that, just don't go too far. Don't make it too personal. That's all I'm asking.
okay.
Just don't make it too personal.
Yeah.
Follow? Okay.
Girl.
No. Mm-mm. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Alright, I'm exhausted. Oh my gosh.
No. So, stop. This was supposed to be a 3-person thing, right?
I guess I don't know. Like,
So why wasn't I a part of it? Why I just the two no?
girl, I don't know. Like, that. Oof. Gosh, oh my god. Whew. I'm sorry, man. I try to focus right now, but Lord.
You can't go get some water, you know, because I'm actually need to talk to you. I don't understand. Me tell you, don't make it personal and like,
That was not my doing. Like, remember you asked me to do this, you know?
yeah, but you have way too much fun.
So was I not supposed to have fun?
Yes, but not like that. I told you not to make it personal and like,
It was not like.
it was personal, like the touching and the kissing and the grabbing ass and everything. That was too intense.
Then how do you expect?
Also,
How, as in, how you expect?
this is my conversation. I'm here the one to upset. You get what you want.
This is not what I wanted. You asked me to do this.
Well, technically,
So question, right? Right now I'm tired. But anyways,
How did you expect that to go exactly?
Not like that. Well, at least like that with me involved.
Yeah, but then why you never actually partake then?
Because you guys totally shut me out and do whatever I want to need for do. All I could do was sit back.
Well,
Also, just listen. Me notice, so the condom tear.
I mean, I think so. I don't know, girl.
I am telling you, I was standing right there.
I'm sorry, a lot just happened. I don't know. I think so. I think so. Yeah, I think so.
So now you need to take a plan B. Yeah?
I mean,
A morning after, like tomorrow, like right now, buy it now and take it tomorrow.
yeah, we can do that. That's the least we can do. I never know say that I'll end up being upset about the situation.
Why wouldn't I be upset? No, put
Because
yourself.
like, you asked me to do this, like, okay, me take the plan B and all, but you can't be upset with me over something.
I can be upset with you. Put yourself in my shoes. Hey, just I don't want to do cheese. So, would you be interested? Right? And me come over and me all over your husband. You wanna get for party? No, just me and him.
But even so, I mean, you never want him to have fun. You never want.
Yeah, but I wanted to be a part of it too. No, only thing we can think about is him and you. You get what I mean? Me never get to be a part of it.
That's not my fault.
It's fine. It's fine. We're not projected. Take a plan B. Let's not talk about this again.
I will.
Okay. What's that?
Babe.
What do you mean, Walton?
Yeah, you let me down, man.
Come on, pardon me?
Eh? Just tell us some more little fun, babe, and you just lame out the thing.
You literally excluded me, so what do you mean by me lay out the thing?
Exclude you.
Yes, you did.
You did it, you know it. Yo, me need even know a star.
Me tell you, say, don't make this personal. You guys made this about just the two of you, know?
Me?
Wanna pretending like, yes. Wanna pretending like me the invisible.
So what me did to do, or me never did to do. Me do what you supposed to do?
I told you not to make it personal. That was too much going on in there. Like, you didn't have too much fun.
No,
I mean, yes, it was supposed to have fun, but you didn't enjoy that little bit too much.
never enjoy it.
Stop playing with my mind.
Me not play with the mind, man. Me I talk it true. Me never enjoy. Me did want you did more. Me did want you tell her what to do.
So why you will never stop and say, babe, come, let's try this or let's do this?
Me follow what you say.
Don't follow me and say it was your idea. This is all new to me. And like, when I say,
It's new to me too.
apparently not. Yeah, behave like a whole heap of time I did this before.
First, man.
You feel like I'm not even know my husband.
At first.
You feel like you think this is a joke. You think this is a joke?
Huh?
Don't play with me. Just don't touch me.
Yeah, go on, so.
Your behavior dirty. Like me literally telling you, don't make this too personal, don't be too touchy. Only even a kiss, why would I do that?
Ooh.
I was standing right there. Yeah, you know that, right?
No, you use imagination.
You was way too deep into this and even know what was going on.
Take it too far, man. You don't know where you get that, no?
Guys,
Why you laugh?
I'm gonna leave because I don't know. Maybe giving us some time to talk. So I'm thinking.
Appreciate it. I'll text you.
Bye.
What is your problem?
What's my problem with that?
Alright, listen, I don't want to go back and forth about this. I don't want to think certain things.
But you think? There's nothing to think.
I am not thinking anything right now and I don't relax. I don't want to think anything and I don't want to argue about this.
Nah,
just don't make this weird for me. What kind of vibe?
So,
yeah, the two
wait,
points.
Mama said to her a while ago. Ignore her?
You could have said casually, but it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, so yeah, I think
So I have something really important to tell you. And honestly, I never part of my plan, but I'm pregnant.
Well, what wasn't a party from being pregnant?
Yeah.
For you pregnant, you do overwork it.
Girl, you will I know how.
I don't know how.
You remember you asked me to do a thing? And
Yeah,
you
but-
tell me, say, take the plan B.
Yeah, exactly why I'm confused.
Well, it did.
The plan B, how are you pregnant?
It didn't work.
How it not work?
It just never worked.
That don't make sense.
I think as my friend, you would be happy for me. Like, I don't understand.
Wait. Why would I be happy for you if you're telling me that you're pregnant from my husband?
First of all, you asked me to do this. I did what you asked me to do, you know. What you asked me to do. When you asked me to be a part of this, I did not want to, you know. And then it worked out in a particular way. You get upset with me. You asked me to take a plan. Yes, you asked me to take a plan B, and I did. But no, I'm pregnant. But at least be happy for me as my friend.
I am not upset. Why would I be happy for you? And why you keep on I said, it's not your idea. Me get it. Yeah, I need my idea. Also, you had more than enough time to take the plan B.
And I did.
If you took the plan B when you left the same day,
I took the plan B.
you did not.
I took the plan B, okay? And at least be happy for me that I'm pregnant. As my friend. At least as my friend, be happy for me.
Jenny, is something wrong with you? No, like for real, alright? No, you have fever. You definitely have fever. You're kind of hot.
Honestly, I don't know how you are upset at me for something that you asked me to do.
Stop saying that I'm upset. I'm not upset. I'm so calm talking to you. What are you talking about? Upset.
Look.
But I should be upset though.
You were upset from before.
Why you in my face that something say you breed from my husband and you think this funny now because why you smile?
I'm not smiling.
Oh yeah, but you laugh. No.
Look,
you're definitely
look,
right, you're not
look,
smile.
look. The situation is what it is. It's beyond my control. I'm a month pregnant, and so just to make a note of respect.
I don't say you're pregnant within a month. Normally, it takes 3 months for it to. Yeah, keep track of this man.
Girl, look, me just tell you out of respect.
You sound so excited, more than like you know why, because you don't keep that, right?
What do you mean by me not keep that?
Why you would I?
First of all, don't call it that. And what do you mean by me not keep that?
You know, overreact. I don't overreact. But this not make sense to me.
What's not making sense to you?
Not making sense.
I am telling you, out of respect, as your friend, that I am pregnant. Why you can't just be happy for me?
How is it out of respect, Janice? We don't understand.
Me not understand what you not understand.
You sit down in my face, I smile, and I tell me, say, yeah, breathe.
Yes, because I'm happy that I'm pregnant. What's so wrong with that?
But why are you happy?
Because I have a child inside of me. Why are you not happy about... First of all, out of the two of us, right? We already know that you have issues with having children. Why wouldn't you just be happy for me? Is it that you're envious about something that you always wanted?
Look, like you're too far.
Am I?
Yes, you are.
Take what too far? I mean, I understand. Like, why are you even upset with me?
Why you keep on saying that to me?
Girl, because you're supposed to be happy for me. Like, you know, think Andrew would be happy for me?
Why would I be happy if you're pregnant? What? Wait. What?
You know, think...
Yeah, you're my best friend, or what? Because you give me an enemy vibe. You give me betrayal. I don't understand.
Girl, you asked for this, you know. You have to remember that, you know, you...
What did I ask for? What am I ask for?
Look, there are consequences to actions, and even so, don't you think Andrew deserves a child?
And just say it away.
Like, if you can't give him one, why you wouldn't happy so somebody else can?
Janice, yeah, I feel play with me.
No, but for real though, if you cannot, why you not happy so somebody else can?
Girl, you should like how you know my secrets, I know yours. We always talked about you wanting a happy family and a husband and all of that. You wanna feel like say you were supposed to wait until you have a man before you go breed it, so I'm breed for somebody else's.
Well, it happened this way. There's nothing I can do about it now.
You
Alright.
be ridiculous now. Me don't be talking now. Girl, come on. No, me not do this. Stop laughing at my face.
Girl, look, I just wanted to tell you out of respect that I'm pregnant.
So respect. I put my smile on my face and I give my.
So should I not be happy? Look. I already told me how to say if you want me to leave, then that's fine.
Thank you.
I'm sure Andrew is fine with it. I'm not dash from my pitneys. I'm not dash from my pitney.
I'm not in the mood either. We need to talk, right? So tell me why Janice, listen. Tell me why Janice come over here earlier and tell me she's pregnant.
What?
Yes.
Jenny's pregnant?
Mm-hmm.
Who?
You.
Me?
Yes.
Stop. You will think that one, not that also.
I understand why the two wanna think it's funny, because to me it's not.
Me don't know.
She was laughing and then I played on my face and I do the most.
What?
Also, me did tell her if we take one plan B. Apparently she did not. Right?
What?
So now she said she's pregnant. I mean, I understand. She also said, you're confused. She also said she gonna keep the baby. What do you think about that, Andrew?
Why?
Use your words, let me listen.
Oh no, she can't keep it. What is up?
What do you mean?
I mean, we're not having no children, so. No, we'll have it one.
We, who's we?
Me and you.
How? It would be your child, not mine.
What do you mean? We're a family.
I feel like you don't understand the magnitude of the situation. The child would be yours, but not mine. Why would I invite the baby to my home? Why would I accept that? And why you think it's okay if she keep the baby? You're confused. You know, hear me talk to you?
What you want me to do? Am I for this?
Yes.
Oh.
Technically, it's your fault. Oh. It was your idea. You wanted this to. Oh, what's everything in the world I could have spiced?
Everything that means you have to give me. You're going to blame this upon me now, like saying.
Okay, so we play blame game.
I feel your friend, you know, man, you all care come in and this. No.
You didn't miss the part when I say 1 month there's no fetus or abortion, nothing.
No, the 1 month not too bad, because I 8 left. So, not too bad. We have time, can work it out.
Don't touch you.
Eh? You never need so we can work it out. We can't get through this, you know? Yo, if you have a little faith, man, that's how I sign for a job. You see me? I know say a job work, you know. And you believe in a job too, you know. I know say you believe in a job and a job works this, you know. How long we want a youth and we finally get a youth. We pray and we never know say I say I will come, but you know. Believe me, man. Just believe me, no.
Me I look for you, but I don't recognize you. Me not understand what you're delusional. Eh? What people outside are gonna think when them find out that my best friend get pregnant for my husband and she bring the baby and the baby now live with me. Like that makes sense to you?
You worry about people too much.
Me not worry about nobody, but that just not make sense. It not make no sense at all.
Yo. Can't talk.
Why you okay with that? Why that's alright with you? That not make sense?
You not hear yourself, you know? You hear yourself?
Me hear myself perfectly fine.
You call your friend in this, your friend get pregnant. Suppose that it's somebody else.
Maybe it wouldn't be so hard to get rid of the baby. Maybe they would want it. I don't understand why Johnny's want it and why you want it and why the two are not okay with it.
Yeah, I believe that everything happens for a reason. And this, I just saw this song, you see me? I'm gonna like your vibe right now. I'm gonna like your energy I show me off right now.
Your energy show me off because why you wanna say, yeah, babe, she for that should be able for true. Make we try for one baby. Why she have to keep the baby?
I try.
So are you not have faith now?
But I have faith.
You not have no faith because if any.
But this gonna happen already. So me I say, yo, what if we do? Just accept me and work with you and get part.
No, you accept it. You accept it. Come on to my face.
So.
Just excuse. Go take a walk. Boy, walking.
Where you going?
Things are cool here. Really and truly, I'm going to talk to you something I get.
Eh? I'm telling you now. Get one chair if I go on the line. I not conky boy, conky.
No.
Oh.
I'm not like that.
I know you take no kung for no boy, you know.
No, I'm far from it. Believe me. I'm better in the company than this. See, I remember when my dad actually said, Andrew suggested spicing up the relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they kind of as if I want she so went through this. We know this might be uncomfortable for you, but we not really have nobody else can tell.
Mm-hmm.
So we got through with it. The third person at Johnny is my best friend. So I don't know why this girl, after everything, this girl I got come on me yard, a smile on my face, and I told her about she pregnant and she got keep it. Hence, me didn't know, say ejaculation and go on and condom dating or be things. I'm tell her if you take one plan B, you should take, she said she take it. The girl come on my house today, I tell me say she pregnant and she go keep it. And she not have an abortion because Angie might be happy. So she pregnant because me can't happy. Some be some. Anyway, Angie come home and him gonna make me say him think she fi keep it too.
So, Jesus Christ. God no, I don't know how to approach this situation. So, I didn't say that I got along with.
Yeah, but remember, everybody talk about communication and blah blah blah. Communication come with a lot of compromise,
Yeah, but Jesus Christ, man. Yo, this is too much. So Andrew, I say more keep it pitney.
Yes, like him basically the on our side. I don't know if they have a conversation externally. Me I know what am I do.
Mine is a planting man.
Really?
I mean anything then I must say friend loyal to who they loyal to,
No, but when
I don't know what Andrew and Janice are doing. You know Janice they already.
Stop. We don't want don't put nothing in my head. We don't want. Oh God, we don't want fear think that. Honestly, like me there, and this is the reason I'm come to because me say like this kind of not make sense to me. Like if she keep the baby, in basically a break up, we have.
Yo, God no. If my one should even come to me and tell me I want to spice up relationship, man, no. The most he can get is a rose, Nothing else. You hear me, I tell you?
I am too old broken. This make me right now. Me not even know how me feel.
And the girl saying that she.
No, like she literally in my face, a smile, and she said, "I'm so happy." And why aren't you happy for me? And things like that. Like this is not Jenny's. Like me, I tell you, say me confused.
Yeah, me tell you, sir. Just left Andrew to me. I chat to him. Cause I come like he don't know who me, He don't know a rich family in coming here, He don't know say me. He don't know me.
But you're not gonna make this about violence, right?
I don't know violence. But your boy can't ramp with my sister then we there. You're a good girl, And the fact say even mad enough to give him a little something and he might take it too far right now. And that me I tell you. He might take it too far.
So what am I for about the friendship with Janice and like
Listen to me, man. Left Janice alone. That for sure say honor every girl as your friend. Honor everybody if you see come around and you have to friend them. You hear me I tell you? Remember I said two faces have many faces and colours,
Alright, I appreciate you talking to Andrew, like I appreciate that, like talk to him, but like don't make it get physical. Cause I still my husband, me still care, me still willing to fix whatever this is, cause I don't know what this is.
Hear me I say, man, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Me a chat to you. Here?
Bring some noise. Just don't do nothing violent.
What's on man, go on up a yard, man. I so come. Come here, one little cat here from link me, That's how I see,
Nobody want me settling.
Eh?
You know what I want me settling?
Yeah, I can't manage your friend then, brother.
Alright, it's fine.
Them also me hurt them, man. I can't manage your channel. Yo. Boy. I know some my sister show me a little pre.
Say what?
Basically, she tell me, say, you tell her, say, you want to spice up the relationship.
That's what I had about.
So, no, brother, yeah, money, you know. And we know the thing go. So they want to spice up the relationship and she get a little threesome. Can I get a threesome?
Something like that.
2 meal combo.
It is the one I want.
Eh? She said she, I mean,
a little thing, boy, man.
man, a little thing.
Little thing, man.
Yeah. But another thing going to wherein the other person get pregnant. I know my sister ball. I know from my sister ball, you know, brother. You know what I'm saying?
You know, I'm still saying about it. It's a long time I want to youth in a dog.
Me get that. But you have to be considerate too.
But I can't let it hurt, saying about that.
So, brother,
I don't know what I go on this right now. Is me stop be more considerate, dog. Cause she knows say a long time I want a youth, you see it. I mean, know say she feel that way, but yo,
yeah, we get what you're saying about there's other ways to this, you know.
which other way?
You could have even, she could have the baby.
I never nothing plan. You see me I say? So she feel blame me for that.
Yeah, what?
Oh.
You hear me I say? You have to be considerate, bro. And you have to consider my sister. I consider she
You know
consider.
my wife, brother, what you talk about, man? I'm more than considerate, brother, man. What you talk about, man? Love her and a dog.
You hear me I say? You see if I make she make her, she'll bawl another tears. There's no say me now come to you peacefully this time, you know. You see me? You make sure you tell her that from now.
But badness you want to put herself in, brother.
No,
My you have to come a road, you know, and she have to just deal with that.
100 tough time. No bother with that, man. Remember say,
Just deal with that, brother, and we can work out it. Me not put in her face, so me I say, but she know her things set already, dog. And you know my thing come down already, you know.
100 tough time. Remember say at church I grew up in, man. No bother with that. No bother with it.
They want a joke.
No bother with it.
Right, I know.
A young bud no know storm, you know, man.
That's cool, man. And in the bar we have a drink. Dennis.
May I come? You know, up the gate by now. Yeah, act like I first yeah, come here.
Too much up on my mind, yeah.
What happened?
Jessica, man.
Well, I'm Tashina.
Why? She's not too happy about what man.
I mean, look, things don't work out when they work out already, you know. Me already pregnant, so
At that me I try to tell her, I say, yo, just life and I just say things to work out, you know, but she not hear me.
yeah, me actually think she'd happy for me because she know how long no more one child, so I don't know, I think she just that be extra. Honestly, she know the situation. She asked me, so I don't know, me just think she'd be extra. She do too much.
No, it's alright, I know she corrupt. Right now look like she all a pre-evil right I know, cause she say, oh, you have to get rid of that right I know.
No, that not happen. That not happen. That not happen under no circumstances.
I tell her so that can't go on cause I want my youth, you know.
Exactly. But look, with she and fear antics now, there's not what she can do to stop this, you know, because it done start already. There's no going back right now.
But you realize if this continue how me see it, so marriage not even gonna work out, you know, man.
Look here. Such is life, you know, because I know, like I say, all the way you want, you already have it right, yeah, so. So what difference it gonna make anyway? If she decides that she upset, then she can just stay where she there. She can join where she want, but if not, then she can just stay where she there. Me not see problem in that.
So we'll have a family then.
Well, I mean, it done start already.
What's the man? I'm a little one, I can feel my teeth and I'm dragging.
So what you want, boy or girl?
Boy, anything, you know? I'm just rough it up, so I'm kind of happy.
Well, just be happy and focus on who happy for we, and Jessica can stay. So right now, if she know with this, she can stay where she there. And I like all the way you want already there, right? Yeah, so.
True, yeah. South Africa, yeah.
But anyways, you have to think start think about name, you know.
I don't know, like a Junior.
So if a girl.
Andrea Junior.
So if a girl.
Andrea. Eh?
Andrea Tufton.
Yeah. I mean,
What are you? I'm more better
I
than
know
that.
your name for your middle name or something. I'm not worried about that. We're ready, I know, man. We have money already, you know, so baby good, you know.
Well, I'm glad you said that, because you know, baby expensive.
So me I hear still.
No, we can't manage.
I feel so.
You know, so you got this. So,
Why?
if things not work out with her, just call it a day. You can always come around here, come stay with me. Pack up your something and come, you're free to come.
Like I'm a new yard this year.
Come move in with me. Let me cook for you. And take care of you properly. See you come in.
It was well, you know. I'm really here to go out. Let's see them I go talk to Janice. I go talk to her about what going, because obviously this is bigger than me and you. Bigger than she too. And this is the situation already. She gonna need help. You understand? She gonna need help to take care of my baby, and she gonna need help through pregnancy right now, so I have to go spend more time over there so with her. So I think we're gonna work out.
A drink, Cameron?
No joke this man. A serious thing, man, because I think about youth future, you know. I think about everybody and I realize I really and truly my fault, you know. I have to be a man about this right, and I have to take responsibilities, you know. So I have to make a step as a man and do the right thing, you see me?
What's the right thing?
The right thing is to stand up for my youth. Can't let down my youth, you're mad. I'm sorry if I hurt you, and I apologize because I mean tell you I want to spice up things and everything just go left. You see me? So I have to go call the squits.
Call what squits?
The relationship, because you don't like her already, you don't like me pitney, and if you don't like me pitney, you can't go work out. And my blood that's enough. My bloodline that.
You say me do want an unborn child. I don't want nothing to do with the unborn child. I don't want nothing to do with Janice. Right? why would I want anything to do with her? Why would I want to be a part of all of the chaos there? We've been together for what? Over 6 years? You get through all of this for an unborn child?
Yeah, watch how you talk.
Somebody, something we ain't create one bond with yet. You don't know the child. What kind of thinking you sit down and do for you come out here and tell me this?
Jessica. Watch how you talk about me youth. Zine, come in like how the conversation you have, bro. I don't like how this about. You see what I say? And I don't mean to try avoid. You understand? But don't see it, you know, like Janice and the baby already.
What baby? What baby? What baby?
You mean what baby?
What baby?
You know, in our right now, I grow. I'm telling you something, take responsibility for that already. So you're making look like, say, yo,
And you only
like this or me did choose this.
and your only solution of a move. Why your solution? Why
It's either we be one big family, me, you, her, and the baby,
or
me just go with her now and go have a family there. So, but you come first every time. I mean, not be selfish either. But think about that. You don't want your father just left you out the road, so. Me? Yeah, be innocent. Yeah, I know baby fault this. I know your fault. And my fault.
apparently you know only think about baby now because why you be considered about she?
Who? Consider about she.
So why is it about she and the baby? Why we not only talk about the baby? We talk about Janice.
Yeah, carry the baby. I have to make sure say our health is good and our mental
So yeah,
is good as well.
you're not happy there in the same space to make sure she good?
No, but in the day over here, so you're going to give me attitude every day. I can't deal with that either. Because I know.
Oh, you know some me get attitude. Why?
No, watch out, Frank. Yesterday,
Has you tell me
Frank
fool?
that talk to me. Nothing. You see me? I come out here, you over there, so I come and say, what you say we're going to do? Because I tell you already, I tell you how I feel already about all this. And you see how you hold your stance already. So, is either ever work with it or not work with it?
Work with what? Work with you leaving or work with you wanting the baby?
Work with the baby. Work with me staying with the baby or me going over there to the baby. Which one you work with?
None.
That not work, you know. That means you not work with me and the baby, so that means I'm gonna just go on my ways.
Why you do this? Why you do this?
Why me and do this?
Yeah, why? Because we did good before you come up with this stupid idea for spice you up.
I'm gonna take responsibility now.
This is you taking responsibility?
What do you mean?
This is you taking, like you are leaving me.
Papa, I'm the man right now.
Yeah, step up and be the man for somebody else. You're not.
I be the man for my people, my youth. What you talking about? Eh? You think you think man, I don't joke business. Yo, my youth come first. You see me? Nobody else before my youth.
Yeah, behave like you the unhappy before all of this started.
Never.
Yeah, behave like you the unhappy before all of this. One baby randomly coming at the pitch there now. And look how you behave. You know, try to fix your marriage. It's all about the baby and my best friend. We're never unhappy. We never have no kind of issue. We were perfectly fine until you decide say you want to spice up the marriage, right? Me decide for compromise and make you happy, to make you have your ways, right? And this, how would that give me? Why she a call you? Why she a call
Why she
you?
a-
Yeah, why she a call you?
I'm gonna sing about the baby, man.
What you mean? What, hang up the phone. Hang up the phone. Me I talk to you.
Just easy, no man. Just easy. Yeah. You alright? Alright. Me soon come. Yo. So she didn't even feel good right now, just like yo. I don't know this about working, man, but I have to go over this right now, so. Later, here.
When I see me come in too early, you know, me have to play some domino with the boy, them, you know.
I mean, by I could play domino with the boy them.
We're not the too far, man.
Babes. Me not on and off for the pregnancy, and every day I'm pregnant.
But no. Them in a day every day, man.
Yeah, but me still need you same way every day.
If not, you just call me, man. My
Babes.
phone not charge, I can't just call me. Yeah?
Stay with me.
You feel pain?
Yes, I'm at a fact right now. We need some things, some list of things where baby gonna need before baby come.
What you gonna need?
Okay, we want some car seat. I'm see this cute little Burberry shoes. I don't enough money. I don't before you start.
What?
I don't enough money. You know why baby wear designer?
Eh?
Hmm?
Designer?
Yes, yes. Why not?
But that don't last no time for baby.
In a matter, you need the best things them for your pitney that you want. Look at Burberry shoes not cost no money. Not that much. One car seat, me need Burberry shoes, we baby, and me want the matching set to so like when the baby born we can have a cute look up matching outfit. Then you can buy the same thing for
So
yourself.
I can't live so lavish. But then I think they're expensive, man.
Babes,
Eh?
you know what the best? I'm
I want the best,
I want one gender reveal party and we are going to want I want it well decorated and want me hair, my nails done and makeup and thing. You know, like the whole excitement. Me already see like one idea how me want the place decorated. But remember, so when I get like the car seat and other stuff.
Hold on. Are this more sitting for baby?
Yes, they need babes.
Plan for them to sit here. I know say you will buy pampers and wipes and...
Yeah, pampers and wipes and give me the clothes.
Sitting boy, you tell me about baby show and this.
Babes,
You have a budget for this, huh?
your money will come, just...
You must say amount of doctor visited you since month already, you know, man. You least little pain you want to go doctor, you want ultrasound. And it's what? Yeah.
Babes.
No, someone, yo, you have to take time, man. Take time with the power and budget, man. You probably have to go buy some nappy and something too, you know.
Babes, me no bother to, me not wash no nappy. Me not do it.
I mean, apartheid, man, you have to get used to the thing, there, man. That's how we are going to save some money, you know.
Babes, me can't go wash no nappy. Me need the pampers them. Me need all of the stuff them.
Listen,
Right now, extra things too. Me want buckle warmer and breast pump and all of them something there. Yes.
the microwave that you have to warm up.
You don't want me baby I drink no milk from no microwave. I me want the breast pump to when the baby not take the breast. Me have something to put the milk in.
You watch too much TV, you know, man. You think America with that?
Babes.
Or Jamaica, this, you know?
Look here.
Listen, we're going to buy 2 bottles and then 1 kettle and the microwave can work and we get some milk and because we then give a milk and say, can feed the baby and thing.
Put your hand on it, babes.
No, me not even like touch the belly cause come like my pocket does I empty out every time I touch him, man. Jesus Christ, man. No, sir.
Look, you have to understand, say baby expensive enough, baby. If you
I see that. I can see it. You don't see that grow. I saw your belly grow. I saw it cost me. Right now, I want it up grow.
Babes,
right that's so good. And
babes, look.
give it a good time.
Hear me out, no man. Hear me out, no man.
It's hustler now, you know.
Babe, yes, you need some more source of income. Cause baby, if you got private school.
Private school.
Yeah, I mean, not think me have a baby at public hospital.
What?
Me never remember if I tell you.
No, sir.
Me go over all my private hospital other
Me by myself. What?
babes. I know so that work.
Oh, so yeah.
I know so that
Where
work.
from?
Babe, just you have to
Did you
understand.
plan all of them sitting here?
Babes, look.
We just plan for our baby, you know.
Yeah, and
That's
that's
all.
so go.
And the baby just come and
And
just...
so babe, and me yeah, your first time in our first way this, but we have to do it the best way.
Eat again.
Just touch it, baby.
No.
They still never go on these, but you know, so them youth can change the still, but all them youth are now focus.
Can you get a minute?
Yeah, of course. I'm so far never here.
Yeah, man, little me, brother.
Andrew, you look stressed out. How are you?
Boy, there, man. Everything they want cost me, man. Doctor visit and have buy up baby things. Yo, that's what I say. Yeah, me and Jessica mash up, you know, me and Janice together now. I wait for the baby to born, you know. They are look at next work and so.
I'm glad you and Janice can work out things because our dear she had tell me say it might not be year one.
What? What do you mean?
Well, what do you want time we did there? We did there chill. She did tell me something say she don't know if I fear one or Jeremy.
Jermaine.
Mm-hmm.
You know, sure if I feel like Jermaine. What you talk about? Eh? You tell me you make me hear that happen to one side. So good enough for me pick me?
Yeah, that she say. We saw nobody do DNA test.
DNA for what? We are talking about DNA.
Somebody think gonna do DNA test because Janice, me and Janice are talk on the phone and she tell me say she gonna do it.
Not do no DNA test.
Hmm. So like Janice I tell, but that she tell me.
Yo. Right now, me even know me, I'm confused. Me don't know what you talk about, you know. DNA and all of this, you know. But sitting and go on, you know. Sitting with Janice, no right, you know.
Mm.
And me can tell for a long time, you know, man. No, so sitting never right with that girl, you know, man. Everything just happened too fast. And I be money this a cost me. Yo. Yo, me have to go talk to Janice, you know, man. This man say me wanna call.
Mm-hmm.
I have to sort out this. Me can't function. Me the right, so I'm even the right, so right now. That me I tell you. Janice. Janice.
Yeah, me I come for. That's sleep.
I want me really hear you go on.
Yeah, that one.
I hear say you want enough for me pick me this, you know. That the
Where you get the best something from?
Let me want me get at the ram. That the funny road right.
You still gonna listen to foolishness for, eh?
I mean foolishness.
You take telling people for.
Yo, me not take no telling about sitting happy go so. If you not go so near if you go so.
No go so.
I am gonna look like a fool in the street right now.
Me have you look like fool. Andre,
A joke thing, yo.
I this you call me at work, me up for we are stress me the baby for.
You sure say am I
Me sure.
How you so sure?
Me sure.
Say enough for me.
Who for your taxi and for you? Eh? Who for your taxi and for you? I listen to people foolishness for.
You me want DNA one.
All in my foolishness.
We need to want DNA now. But we need to know right now.
We are stress me out for. We are stress me with the baby for. We are stress with.
Stress me.
Me are stress you.
That means you have one next man.
What you need DNA for?
Nothing if I feel me pick me.
I feel your pitney.
You not spend up no money, I waste up no money.
Well, yeah, waste money pan DNA. That you do. That day you waste money pan.
And DNA.
Any money you spend for your pitney, sure. Look here, me not like there's something you know.
Then if you saw that out, I'm not spend not $1 more.
Babes, what you foolishness now, man?
No, never want you touch me, never want you touch me. Because every time, if I know you touch me, I belly, I grow money, I put up more, I know if I'm you right now. That me I defend.
A year, baby. Who else is supposed to...
Any DNA can do.
Andre. No, man.
Oh, Andre.
Can't stress me out and I know me feel tired. Me baby a cake, cause you there close to me. Go feel it.
No, you said, you know why you touch me. When me job do DNA?
So we just come here and go and suffer?
What I mean?
Sure.
I'm gonna look like a fool.
We not need to do no DNA. Who tell you so?
No one know no.
Babes not gonna go so.
No.
Look, in the beginning, me that one. Look, just listen, no, man. In the beginning, me that wonder whether or not I feel you or for Jeremy. But me know say I feel.
For me or for Jeremy?
Me know say I feel in a matter.
Jeremy and...
Look, in a matter. Me that wonder, but you not go so. I feel.
Yo.
Babes, I'm not no man. Just listen now.
I don't know, me even trust you, no, man.
Just come in now.
A jacket you try to give me?
When would I get a jacket for?
Look, you have a baby, I kick up in my belly. Baby, no like when you argue.
Listen to Jessica, you know.
Feel your baby, no.
Me say me need to know.
Feel your baby, come.
No. Me no touch nobody pick me. Me have to know say I feel me for sure.
No, babes. Calm down, no, man. Look, are your baby.
A style
No, don't listen to what nobody tell us. Are your baby.
A
Yeah.
style thing at the pan. A Jeremy.
Wait, all right, when the baby come out, we can do DNA, but we not really have no money for that, so it not even make no sense. Just listen to me, no, man.
No.
Andre.
No.
Andre.
Stop happening.
Stop
touch me, man. Touch me. Me want need to do one DNA.
You
me need to do
the
it for my
DNA.
Tomorrow, so you got a doctor. Tomorrow, you can't go a doctor. Anything you want to do, you find out tomorrow. You do DNA. I'm going to know if I feel me pitney tomorrow or not. And if I don't feel me pitney, be gone. I don't call me back either.
Yeah, do this one.
Touch me, man.
Andre. Andrew.
Answer.
Andrew.
I'm foolish to see.
Andrew.
I'm foolish.
Andrew.
All of this.
Andrew.
Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Andrew, just hear me, man. Look, we can't explain. Andrew, just...
Yo. Don't stop touching me, man. Stop touching me.
Andrew, just hold on, no, man. Andrew. Andrew, we can't explain. Sometimes the results here are not accurate, you know?
What do you mean not accurate?
It's not accurate.
We don't need to see nothing more. We don't need to see nothing more. No. We finish. See me if you tell me say they really know say I know from me pick me a real check.
Never know.
What do you mean you never know?
You know?
What kind of accident?
Accident we never meet.
You haven't spent so much money.
Yeah, so...
No, man. No.
We can't make you work, you know? You're gonna leave me alone. Andrew, just listen to me,
No. You're wicked girl, you know? You don't see wicked?
The results not accurate.
No, the result they're happy right. Happy right. You really did try to give me somebody else fit me. You mash up my marriage. Yo, Jessica, did you know it, man? Did you know it?
I know what you think. Just listen to me.
Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me, man.
Yeah, but what me I gonna do now?
It's not my child. You need to find your baby father now. I'll make him pick you up a matter of fact. This is done. It's done. Jessica, beg a minute now. Alright.
Andrew.
Jessica, I'm sorry. God knows I'm sorry. Like, I mess up this time, man, big time. I think we can work it out.
Why, after so long, you want to work it out? After everything? How much months pass?
I mean, we make some mistake. We make some major mistake, and I see my mistake them. I'm ready for man up to it again. I'm ready. Like, this can really work. If you can just forgive me.
I forgive you a long time, but there is no more us.
What do you mean no more us?
From the day you decide to walk out, you never did have faith, none at all, not even in the slightest bit. Me get over you, me get over this long time.
Me not get over this. Me never get over it. No, me still I feel this. We still have something, you know. You must say we married, you know. You're still my wife, you know.
And that's the sad part. Just serve me a divorce papers to the both we can move on. If you don't want it, that's on you. But me already move on.
Jessica, we can't divorce her. We can't just done so. Nah, make that happen. That can't work.
But whatever we had,
is no more. Like more I understand that there is no
We still have something. We still have this. We still.
don't no man over there say you can do that.
Yeah, man.
Yes, mama.
What you mean, man?
You don't see him, you're blind.
Yo, me no business about him and me and you, me and your husband. You can't. Jessica,
No.
think about this. You really gonna dash our future?
Think about it.
Jessica, please, me I beg you. Please, like.
What are you doing?
Don't do this to me. Don't do this.
Get up.
No, 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 no. Jessica, we can't make this work.
We can't make what work? When you throw away already? Huh? You dash it already. Why you want to take it up back now?
Jessica.
What? Because I realized that she was not good enough and the baby I never years and all of that. Because me know, you know. Yeah, man, me know. Me know. So now you're sorry.
Jessica.
You realize that I never do all of this when I did a walk out? Because me know you're the girl
Jessica.
back. Me know.
Jessica, me dey on my knees, I beg.
It has nothing to do with me.
Please.
Nothing to do with me.
Jessica, please. Look me on my knees in front of everybody.
Andrew, the serve me the
You whole thought.
can go on it, man.
Sorry. Jessica, please, me I beg you, Jessica. Don't do this, Jessica. Jessica, no. Jessica, I don't feel me pitney. Jessica, I don't feel me. Yeah, we talk to people that they know what I'm going. On a birthday, we never do that yet.
All right, guys, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. You understand? We have come a very, very far away, and really wish we could actually do something better than what we are doing right now. You understand? But we love what we are doing, and we know say next year we want to do a better job next year. Next year, we want to do more work.
6 more months, it have reached 300, so all of this stuff will happen again.
Yeah, man, every country.
I mean,
Jessica, yeah man, Jessica, yeah man. Yeah man.
you can't see my you see man I hold my wife and then you want me to come here soft. Yeah.
Yeah man, and your wife again, you must say, pick you up the cup for you.
Tell him.
So take it from your wife.
All right, so no don't watch. Comment and tell me how was it. Write in the comment section and make you know how was it. I understand a lot of hard work. I want to big up all of the actors and the actresses them. We play a part in the movie. Big up to everybody who have been a subscribe and always been subscribing and watching the video. You understand? Just remember, subscribe, like, share, comment, make you know what I go on. You understand? And if you don't want to link me, just go up on Instagram, ALTON Garden Original, and link me up on Instagram. Alright? Big up on yourself. Remember, you know, watch the old video them too. And watch the new one them. You understand? And share up the thing. I want the belly, man. Yeah, as me say, yeah, share up the video, watch it and subscribe. You understand?
Hi, good morning. Do you have any PS5 controller wireless?
PS5.
Controller wireless.
Yeah, man, just come over here. So right over here. So stay west. Stay west. What? Where?
Hello.
Good evening.
You have anything for car?
Yeah, man, we have things to carry, man. We have,
Like me want one trucker and me want the you know it's something where them put in it where they call it coolant. Me hear about the name.
we have everything, man. But where carry it? Because we could install them for you now. We have to charge a little price.
You can't install it for me. Cause me not have the car yet, you know, but me have a picture up on my phone can show you.
All right, so
And
I say you don't have the car, but you have a picture.
yeah, me can show you a picture of the car. Me not have the car yet, but me have it in mind to buy that car there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so see car here. See there.
Okay.
Yeah, one good car. Me say then good.
All right, but still, you know, just in case I get the car, we have the trucker.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, cause me no want them thief me car, so me want some things to me car.
Yeah, man. So you get this for 13,800, and you can stay so Bamson. Make sure say anyway at all, you get the apps on your phone, and you can truck a car. You understand?
Yeah.
With this, you know, this is a vacuum.
Yeah.
So say if you drive and you eat all your Burger King and your little chips them, you can just
Yeah.
clean.
So I vacuum that to clean out my car.
Yeah, man. And this,
Yeah.
you know, this charge your battery. So say if you are playing
Remember me tell us me did want one battery too.
one
Yeah.
battery.
Yeah, me want one battery for my car.
All right.
Yeah.
We can source it for you, man. We don't have it now, but we can source it.
All right. But remember, so me not get the car yet, you know, but me still want then something here.
All right. You can go and pay down for them still, you know.
All right. So tell me how much. Wait there. Me did want one next something for my car, but me no remember what name. And somebody tell me where the thing name to go in at the car.
If you go in the car,
Yeah.
like you want to can watch movie on your while you drive.
Portable DVD. Yeah.
Like you can watch Richard Brown films man this while you drive.
I want. What you call Richard Brown films?
On YouTube, you come in YouTube, and you can put on the apps and panny, and you watch Richard Brown films or Paradise Nation on YouTube.
So what come on Richard Brown films? Come it's so interesting, but I like to.
So yes, at Stay West we have everything from a pin to an anchor. If we don't have it, we can source it for you. Anything at all, man. Come on down. Stay West. We have 3 locations, 2 in Savlamar and 1 in Montego Bay. Alright, so do the right thing. Come on down and we make sure say you get a discount. Tell the man say a Richard Brown film send you. Paradise Nation and you get a discount. You understand? As I say? But it's good for have dreams.
Yeah.
So go and dream on the car, or you can go up at the bank, say if you can qualify for your loan and get the car, and then you can come back. Calling to install up a car for you. Well, both thing.
All right, thanks, here.
Anything for the bedroom too, you know.
No, and me care when me want buy the things them. I just sit alone with the combo. But me will tell people where you say name again.
Stay West.
I'm talking to people, they know what I'm going. On a birthday, we never feel that yet. All right, so.
You want me talk?
No, man, me talk, man. We know say you're MC. You're MC. You let go. All right, right now. So before we actually get down to the meat and matter and talk about nothing else, I don't think we can do much without prayer. I always believe that anything we do, you always have to invite the creator in our way do before you move forward. You know what I say? So you want to bust the prayer and me pray? Me pray. Then know what we can pray. So me pray. No man, me pray. Them two say we can't pray. Me pray.
You can't me so pray.
No, me pray. No man, me not pray in silence. Me pray in make everybody hear. You ready now? Yeah. All right. Dear righteous and eternal Father, as we gather here, we want to give you thanks for the gathering. You don't know, sir, there's nothing else we can achieve without your hands in it. So I want to say thank you for the accomplishment and everything that has come to fruition thus far. We thank you for your little gathering. We wish we can do this more often, but we just ask you to give you strength, but we continue to push on because there is greater to come. Amen. Jimmy, that's our Father. All right, so, all right, you want to say? No, we don't have to say our Father, we pray. All right, so before we get down to nothing else, we have one little surprise to everybody. Only Javi alone know about it. You know, say anything I do, Javi alone know. All right, so, when I'm a subscriber, because everything we're there, so what we do is courtesy of that person who love what we do and want to see what we do. But further, so anything what me do, I just pitch it and say, yo, this is what we do.
she always lend a helping hand towards what me I do. Come I tell her, I say, yo, I want to keep a little get together. And she said, what you talk about, man? Do it, man. So the little surprise here is I want a little token of my appreciation and also hers to everybody. So like how you there front there, so we are touch everybody.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So we are touch everybody. Alright, don't open it, Bertie. Yeah, you're the right, just so.
It's like how me big man too.
Don't you? So like how you're the right, just so. Alright, Curious, come in now. Alright, Candy, come in too. Alright, so one for Curious, one. No, Candy, and two for one for Curious. Alright, so everybody get right? No, Ari can't get yet. Not yet, Ari, not yet. No, you can't get 3 times. Alright, so that is how much I'm putting out is a token of we appreciation because no, you don't know say
It's a little bonus.
yeah man, you don't know say we have to show appreciation for everybody who really make it possible. We know say we wish Papa did there too, but we want to show appreciation for everybody who make this possible because me always say, boy, me alone can't do it. If I'm me alone, to stand up in front of the camera, if they behind the camera, if edit, it's impossible. It take everybody who there, son, the one them when there. We have to call back public attention forward. It take everybody to make what we are do possible. And they always say with teamwork, anything possible. You understand? So I hit that. So we hope say who not on the live enjoy what we are going with, and who not on the live, I go see the video afterwards for sure. You know exactly what I'm going and make you know appreciate the whole vibe. So we just hope so you enjoy and enjoy the Christmas. Right? Hold on, before we go down further, I know if nobody are not this, I know say Bertie must have something to say that. Yeah, I always have something to say. You want Bertie, because Bertie always have something to say. I will probably let me chat to him. Hold on,
Okay, let me talk. Let me speak, guys. Let me speak. Hey guys, you don't know, it's the girl actress Merty, the one and only. So let me sincerely say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, because without you guys watching, there will be no Richard Brown films. All right. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas when it comes. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a next friend. If you tell on a grandmother, on a uncle, on a cousin, I don't know enemy. Just tell everybody when you can tell to come subscribe. You understand? We're having a good time, guys, and I really appreciate this. So big up on yourself.
Nobody else have nothing to say. Yeah, make everybody talk. Nobody else have nothing to say. Yeah, they want something fair. Make everybody talk. You have nothing to say. You have nothing to say, Pastor. CJ, wants to say. PG. PG. Pronounce your words. No.
Oh, go on, everybody, you know, it's the girl JV, and want to tell us that we are Riverside, and we are eat some KFC, and we are eat some thing and thing. So, on the tune in, I don't know if Richie gonna post this, but yeah, on the tune in, and thank you for 2,000 subscribers.
200.
Oh, it's 200, guys. Big up to you.
I don't care, no, I want the mic already, man. I want the mic already, so guys, big up on yourself. You understand? We have come a very, very far way, and really wish we could actually do something better than what we are doing right now. You understand? But we love what we are doing, and we know say next year we want to do a better job next year. Next year, we want to do more work.
6 more months it have reached 300, so all of this stuff will happen again.
Yeah, man, every 100. Every 100.
Right, so in next 6 months.
No, we can't predict say 6 months time. Because we can't predict.
Yeah, but until then, we have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we're gonna reach it before 6 months time.
So I just wanna say thank you, Risation. Thank you, Risation, because I always contact my speech them in a giant enough, you know. So thank you, everybody. We appreciate we appreciate
You can't
Risation.
do this, Gigi.
Don't tell me something can't do it, can't do it, me I do it.
You got this.
We appreciation all uno.
Yeah.
Understand? Because we are Jamaican near and far and abroad. Bless upon yourself. Merry Christmas when it come and a Happy New Year. All right? Richard Brown films to the world. All right, sir? And we love you just like how you love we. All right. Realization, uno.
Left it alone. Left it alone.
Can the drinking white rum? We're in Jamaica.
Yo,
Such a name. Where you come from? Basidawak.
What's your name, Murty?
You can't name Murty. Where you come from? Basidawak.
Or Lashonda?
Lashana?
Yeah, yeah. You know, say, you know why come me a blush, you know? Yes, say me a blush. And so me a fear blush and something. And you know why it's a lucky dollar?
No, it's okay.
You could have financing. Yes, a lucky dollar.
I've been having too much shots. Okay, I feel hot in this. In this little, you're not hot in the mouth?
No, me not hot.
You know, I'm gonna take a shot, Marty. Like literally.
I chew, me not take a shot sometime to chew.
Right now, I'm nervous, I have to take a shot. Get sure. Come from me, I want
Ready?
to take a shot of that. Ready. You may say just block my woman number out of your phone. And just avoid me, Andre. Please, me I beg you. Just avoid me. You hear me I say? Just left my woman number out of your phone. Block it. Do whatever you want. Just leave me alone, Andre. I'm serious.
To block me. Why don't you? Because I want to be blocking her. And there's so much more that I have in store.
Yo, and them baby I make sometimes I see I'm so woman, you know.
What just happened? Stop, Christopher. Stop behaving like that. Stop. Stop. Christopher, stop. Stop.
Get off me!
You know what, Christopher? There is so much more that I have in store.
Anjin, come like you know, listen to what me I say. This over. Layla, what the backside in the morning in the house, girl.
What's that? Lena, no, you see, no?
Come, go on here, father. Walk over a settee there, so. Walk over a settee. Jesus Christ, Layla, walk back over a settee. You cannot walk on this, so.
Lady, you're sitting in front of me with too nice. What you mean?
I just want to say.
ALTON. That's.
You're serious?
ALTON. ALTON.
What you know? Right, remember say you send her some conversation.
That's why I say if you never give up.
Yeah, we are foreign about the parcel.
We knew each other.
Send your picture with me and then.
Oh, me know her.
Oh,
Okay.
You know me, no, but you see,
Me know say you got the problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, send me.
She said, take picture with me asleep and then something. Pull them up in.
ALTON. You need to fill me in. So she sent me a picture with the two, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get a foreign.
But me and that man say no know who me. So you probably can say,
Yeah, man.
and then me take off the mask, you know? Like you can be scared and say, who are you?
Never said you never said you.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Yeah, well, ready? Action.
You. Jesus Christ.
Oh. So when you were in the States, acting as if you were warrior princess. Oh, you never know you would see this face.
All of this over Christopher?
All of this over Christopher. You don't decide to give up.
All of this over just one man? You think
What if I tell you? Listen.
Hold on, Alton. Shall we kick it right now?
Let me just apply.
Oh, sorry.
I want the kid to capture how much of a mad girl you are. Like, you look at antics, more shit them and give me. See a skinny head for you. You. You don't see a bad fit you, you.
I'll make sure say I catch Biani.
Well, I was probably a continue, man.
Action.
So, you don't decide to give up.
All of this over Christopher?
And the microwave can work. And we get some milk and stuff because we know they give a milk and say, oh, can feed the baby and thing.
That not gonna work for me. Babes, look here. Put your hands.
Every time I touch him, that money come out of my pocket. Go ahead.
Don't touch me again.
I'm trying to get rich. Yes, comedian.
Be a dollar side. Yeah, they do wrong things with the phone. Come on for the TikTok. Go on YouTube.
Acho.
Watch the Jamaican movie them. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but this you can very
But
reasonable.
Me go on TikTok to me like listening to or something.
No, man, no, waste of time.
No.